Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix screen mirroring not working on your iPhone. So if you're trying to mirror your iPhone to a TV or monitor and it won't connect, just follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen to open the Control Center. Here you should see the screen mirroring icon. It looks like two overlapping rectangles. Tap on it and normally your available devices should appear so you can connect. If nothing shows up or your device won't connect, the first thing we'll try is refreshing your network connection. Swipe down again from the top right corner to open the Control Center, then turn on Airplane mode. This will temporarily disconnect your phone from Wi-Fi and other wireless connections. Wait a few seconds and then turn Airplane mode off again. This forces your iPhone to reconnect to the network. Doing this can fix many connection problems. If possible, you can also do the same thing on the other device you're trying to mirror to, so both devices reconnect properly. Next, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on Wi-Fi. It's very important that both your iPhone and the device you want to mirror to, like your TV or monitor, are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. Make sure it's the same network name and not a different or secondary network. If it's still not working, the next step is to restart your iPhone. You can do this by pressing and holding the volume up button and the side button, then swiping the power slider to turn your phone off. Another way to do it is by opening Settings, tapping General, scrolling all the way down and selecting Shutdown. Turn your phone completely off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. It's also a good idea to restart the other device you're trying to connect to, like your TV or monitor. Turn it off and then back on, so both devices refresh their connection. Finally, keep in mind that on some TVs or streaming devices, screen mirroring or AirPlay needs to be enabled in the device's settings. So go to the settings on your TV or monitor and make sure AirPlay or screen mirroring is turned on. Once that feature is enabled, go back to your iPhone, open screen mirroring, and your device should appear in the list. Tap on it, enter the code shown on your TV if it asks for one, and your iPhone screen should start mirroring. And that's it. That's how you fix screen mirroring not working on your iPhone.